Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will learn how to create an odd even numbers checker in VB.net or Microsoft Visual Basic.net. If you are new with my channel, thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my upcoming video, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Right now we are running our program here. We have here the form. So the title, add in even numbers checker in VB.net. So we have here a label and then a text box. So let's say for example we provide a value of 7, and then when we click the check button, the number 7 is an odd number. It will display a dialog box that tells that the value given by the user 7 is an odd number. Click OK, and then when we click the clear button, it will clear the text box, which allows us to give new set of values. Let's say 6, and then check. So the number 6 is an even number. Click OK and then quit. Now let us go with the code. Double click the check button. So we have here two variables, dim my value as integer, dim is even as boolean. My value equals val, because normally text box 1 that text is string, so we have to convert it into integer using a function val in VB.net. If value mode, checking for remainder 2 equals 0, means there is no remainder of values, is even, true, this will be displayed. The given number, my value is even if it is true. If it is false, the number, my value is an odd number. And if, now let us go back to our form design. When we click the clear button, we have here text box 1 that text equals the quotation to clear the text box, and then we have also a command text box 1 that focus to focus the cursor here when we clear the button. So the last button is quit. Very simple, we just type end here to end the program. So let us run again the program. So it's running already, so let us have 67. When we click the check button, the number 67 is an odd number. Click OK, click the clear button, let's say 68. Check button, the number 68 is an even number. Click OK, clear. So click quit. So that's it. This is the code. Very simple logic, very simple command. So for the last time, you can have 12. So 12 is an even number. So we can have 15. So 15 is an odd number. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create an odd and even numbers checker in VB.net or Microsoft Visual Basic.net. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, says until to the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.